Was there ever life on Mars? It is a question that has intrigued us for centuries.
Yeah, and tomorrow, NASA is going to try to answer more of that question, launching a new rover to the Red Planet, taking a big step forward in our Martian research. Scientists believe that ancient Mars was warmer and had rivers and oceans, but did it once harbor life? Well, this morning we are joined live by NASA scientist Mitch Schulte to talk all about this exciting new mission to the Red Planet and what NASA hopes to do there. Good morning, Mitch.
Good morning.
So tell us about this new launch. This is a big deal. What is going to make this different from our previous Mars missions?
Well, we've been systematically studying Mars for some time, and we started with the follow the water strategy. So we've determined that there was liquid water at Mars's surface billions of years ago. We've determined that Mars was habitable, geologically very similar to Earth. And so now this is sort of the next step in trying to actually look for signs that life might have left behind in the surface materials on Mars.
So fascinating. So tell us about, where Perseverance is going to land and why is this crater special?
So it's going to land in Jezero Crater. It's an impact crater, but it was filled with an ancient lake. So it was about the size of Lake Tahoe, just to give you some sense. And it was filled with liquid water. There's a river channel flowing in and a river channel flowing out. And where the river channel was flowing in, it left behind a delta deposit. So this is very similar to what we see on Earth in places like Gulf of Mexico or the Nile Delta. This is a great place to collect material from a big watershed. And it's also a great place where we see a lot of evidence for organic material, as an example, here on Earth. So it's a great place to go to look for these kinds of evidence of life on Mars.
Huh. I mean, so I'm gee-whizzed by this whole thing. I just think all of it is so cool, but I'm curious, what do you personally think is the coolest part of Perseverance and this mission?
I think there are a couple. One is that we've got instruments on this rover designed to look at a very, very fine scale that we've never been able to do before. So we'll be able to study the chemistry of the rocks at very fine scale. We'll be able to take pictures of things that are pretty small. So we're really getting down to the level of the microorganisms, as it were. The other really interesting part about this mission is that we'll be able to collect core samples. So we're going to be collecting samples of rock from the Martian surface. And we're working on plans right now to be able to go retrieve those samples and bring them back so we can study them in laboratories on Earth.
Wow. We were talking with our tech guy yesterday on the show, and he was talking about how it's going to be able to shoot lasers that melt rocks. Is that accurate?
Well, it won't melt the rocks. We do have a couple of different instruments that have lasers on them. The one that I think he's referring to is called SuperCam, and what that does is it fires a pretty high energy laser at the rocks, and it actually vaporizes the rocks.
Oh.
That vapor gives off a spectral signature, and we can use that information to obtain chemical composition information about the rocks.
Huh.
Gosh,
Okay.
vaporizing, honestly, that's even cooler.
Yeah. Wow.
And I know there's like a little helicopter that's going to be deployed to on Mars. That's something we've never done before, right?
That's right, yeah. So Ingenuity is the name of the helicopter, and we're going to have that ride on the belly of the rover. It's going to be lowered to the surface, the rover will drive away, and then the helicopter will unfold. And then we're going to do a series of test flights to show that we can actually do powered aerodynamic flight on Mars for the first time. As you probably know, the Mars atmosphere is pretty thin, and so being able to demonstrate this will really be a big step.
And this journey, obviously a difficult one. Is there a lot that can go wrong? Are you guys pretty confident this is all going to go smoothly?
Well, we've tested the systems to get to Mars many times. We've been pretty successful very recently with our rovers and other landers. The chassis itself is a copy of the Curiosity rover with all new instruments, but the landing system is the exact same that Curiosity used, with a couple of enhancements, one of which is being able to actually provide images for the rover to sort of compare with what it sees as it's coming down to the ground. So if there are any big obstacles, it'll be able to avoid them. So we're pretty confident. The system worked really well before. We're very sure that it's going to work again.
Well, we are certainly hopeful here that it all goes well. Good luck with the mission, Mitch, and hope everything flies smoothly and Perseverance lands safely. I know we'll be watching tomorrow and rooting for you guys. So thanks so much for talking with us this morning.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Absolutely.